I never thought that I could be as happy as I am. Joey understands me as no one else can. When I've had a troubled day, when things don't go as planned, Joey understands me and touches my hand. And he looks into my eyes, makes me feel so good. And that comes as no surprise. I knew he would, he always could. There's a time, it sometimes happens, when I need to be alone. Joey understands me. I'm not made of stone. Even on the darkest day, he can make it bright. Somehow he always finds a way. Things go wrong, he makes me strong. I never fail to let him know I'm so glad he's my man, because he understands me. I am what I am. Joey understands me.